Hello friends, so today we will be starting a series of videos on multi-programming and multi-threading with respect to operating systems and how it gets implemented in any programming language. So for programming language we will choose Python. So we will understand the concept of processes, threads, and we will also work on a project that will implement all these above concepts in one project to demonstrate how actually it happens. We might use a simulator, operating system simulator, to show how processes actually goes into the CPU, is being executed by CPU, and how it loads in the memory. And we will also see same in the threads. So we'll be seeing the process lifecycle, how process scheduling happens, how process synchronization concept happens in operating system, Linux operating systems. We will see how inter-process communication happens. We will also track processes, uh, the command that we use in Linux, such as must have used ps to list all the processes. We will use several commands that will be also helpful in debugging a project. That is very useful when you go in a customer environment and try to debug something mm, that which process is using how much of memory, how much of time consumption that process did. This will be very helpful in our debugging steps. We'll be also implementing all these above concepts using Python multiprocessing. We will also see the deadlocks. Then we will also see threads, thread lifecycle, thread scheduling, thread synchronization, inter-thread communication, and same the Linux command for threads. Same, this commands are very useful debugging any live project in customer environment. Very useful. We will also see how to debug a particular thread in Python. This is many people doesn't know how thread is being a particular thread is being debugged. So we will be learning that also, and we will also for above concept we will create a project, cumulative project, and that will be very useful in any of the interview or in day-to-day our coding activities also. Thank you.